Weather extremes are really where people see the impact. So weather extremes can have big impacts on everyday life. That's the type of weather that people remember, not only for a couple of days, but really for weeks or years. And because they have very large impact, obviously a very relevant question is whether they change in terms of frequency or intensity with climate change, and addressing this question is really difficult. Because one reason is that weather extremes by definition are rare, and basically to find a change in something that's very rare, what you ideally would need to have is very long time series. And the second is they're extremely complicated in terms of the processes. There's many things playing together. It's like cooking the perfect meal. Everything needs to fit together to get an extreme. So all the ingredients need to perfectly fit to get that weather extreme. And to understand that and to know how it changes is extremely difficult. And I guess that's what we're talking about. That's where we try to make progress here. And I think we can only make progress in bringing all the scientists from different fields together.
So what have been the key challenges that you have tackled over the last 2 days here in Oslo?
So first of all, it's really what are the definition of extremes. So what are really the type of extremes that people are interested in? Is it mainly the hourly downpours, or is it more the weekly persistent rain or wind or heat? What is it that people want to know, and what are the timescales they're interested in? Are they interested in how these extremes are going to look like in the coming 10 years, or maybe only in the coming weeks? Or is it more that people are very interested in how they change within a time horizon of 30, 40, 50 years? And I think that's completely different challenges. All of them are difficult to tackle with these different questions that they're asked. Yeah.
So you say that the sum of the people up here could actually tell us when it's going to stop raining during autumn in Norway?
No, that's not what we're doing. But I think what helps is that we have here statisticians, we have climate modelers that work on very long time scales, and we have the weather forecasters and the people working on really the understanding of the weather systems. Bringing all these expertise together, including the people that are experts on observational data, is really essential. So only together we're probably going to be able to address this major challenge which we're facing here.